Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, a massive welcome to you. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that I know is on every new creator's mind: YouTube monetization. You've started your channel, you're passionate about your content, but how do you turn that passion into a paycheck? It might seem like a huge, complicated mountain to climb, but trust me, with the right strategy, it's totally achievable. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's break down your ultimate guide to YouTube monetization success, step by step. First things first, let's get the basics out of the way. To join the YouTube Partner Program, which is the main way to earn money directly from your videos, you need to meet two key requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and you need 4,000 hours of public watch time within the last 12 months. Now I know when you're starting from zero, those numbers can sound intimidating. 4,000 hours? That's a lot of time. But don't let it scare you. Think of it not as a barrier, but as a goal that helps you focus on what really matters: creating great content that people genuinely want to watch. So, how do you get those first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? The secret isn't some magic trick or hack. It's consistency and value. You need to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours? Whether it's gaming, cooking, DIY projects, book reviews, or financial advice, your niche is your foundation. Why? Because it helps you attract a specific, dedicated audience. People subscribe when they know what to expect from you and they like what you're offering. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Be the go-to person for your specific topic. Once you have your niche, it's all about creating quality content. And quality doesn't necessarily mean you need a $10,000 camera. In the beginning, your smartphone is perfectly fine. Quality is about good lighting, clear audio, and most importantly, valuable information or entertainment. Is your audio clear and easy to hear? Even a cheap lapel mic can make a world of difference compared to your phone's built-in microphone. Are you filming in a well-lit space? Natural light from a window is your best friend, and it's free. These small things elevate your video from amateur to professional looking, which keeps viewers watching longer. And that brings us to watch time. The 4,000-hour goal is all about audience retention. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that people watch for a long time. So, how do you keep people hooked? Start strong. The first 15 seconds of your video are crucial. Tell your viewers exactly what the video is about and why they should stick around. Use a hook, maybe a surprising fact, a question, or a sneak peek of the final result. Then, structure your video to deliver on that promise. Keep the pacing energetic, cut out any unnecessary pauses or rambling, and try to make your content as engaging as possible. Another huge part of the puzzle is understanding YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization. You need to help YouTube understand what your video is about so it can show it to the right people. This starts with your title. Your title should be catchy, but also include keywords that people are actually searching for. Think about it. What would you type into the search bar to find a video like yours? Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search suggestions to find popular keywords in your niche. Then there's your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is like the cover of a book. It's the first thing people see, and it has to make them want to click. Use bright, high-contrast colors, include a clear, expressive face if you can, and add a little bit of text to create curiosity. A great thumbnail and a great title work together to get that all-important click. Once they click, your amazing content will keep them watching, boosting your watch time. Don't forget the description box. Use it to write a detailed summary of your video, including more keywords, and add links to your social media or relevant resources. Let's talk about consistency. You can't just post one video and expect to blow up overnight. Success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to create a posting schedule that you can realistically stick to. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, being consistent teaches your audience when to expect new content from you, and it signals to the YouTube algorithm that you're an active, serious creator. This builds momentum. Each video you post is another chance for a new viewer to discover you. Don't get discouraged if your first few videos only get a handful of views. Every single successful YouTuber started from zero. Keep creating, keep improving, and keep posting. Okay, so let's fast forward. You've worked hard, you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Congratulations, that is a massive achievement. Now you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. The review process usually takes about a month. YouTube will check your channel to make sure you're following all their policies and guidelines. This is really important. Make sure your content is original and doesn't violate any copyright rules. Once you're approved, you can turn on monetization for your videos. This is where you start earning money from ads. But here's a pro tip. AdSense revenue is just the beginning. It's actually one of the least profitable ways to make money on YouTube, especially when you're starting out. The real money is in diversifying your income streams. Think beyond the ads. The first and most common step is affiliate marketing. You can partner with brands and include special links to their products in your description. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a small commission. The key here is to only promote products you genuinely use and love. Your audience trusts your recommendations, so don't break that trust for a quick buck. Another fantastic income stream is brand deals or sponsorships. This is when a company pays you to feature their product or service in one of your videos. You don't have to wait for brands to come to you. Once you have a small but engaged audience, you can start reaching out to brands in your niche that you think would be a good fit. Create a media kit that showcases your channel's stats and audience demographics, and pitch them a creative idea for a collaboration. As your channel grows, you can also consider selling your own products or merchandise. This is a brilliant way to build your own brand. It could be anything from t-shirts and mugs with your channel logo to digital products like ebooks, online courses, or presets related to your niche. For example, if you have a cooking channel, you could sell a recipe book. If you're a fitness creator, you could sell workout plans. The possibilities are endless, and this way, you're not relying on anyone else for your income. And let's not forget about YouTube's other monetization features. Once you're in the partner program, you can enable things like channel memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks like badges, custom emojis, or members-only content. There's also Super Chat and Super Stickers, which allow viewers to pay to have their comments highlighted during your live streams. These are great ways for your most loyal fans to support you directly. The journey to monetization is a process of building a community and providing value. Engage with them in the comments, ask for their feedback, and make them feel like a part of your journey. When you focus on serving your audience first, the monetization will follow naturally. Don't chase the money, chase the passion, chase the improvement, and chase the connection. So to recap, find your niche, create high-quality, engaging content, nail your titles and thumbnails, be consistent, and once you're monetized, think beyond just AdSense. Just take it one video at a time. Your journey of 1,000 subscribers begins with a single upload. You have a unique voice and a unique perspective to share, and there's an audience out there waiting to find you. Keep learning, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I hope this guide was helpful and gave you a clear roadmap for your own YouTube journey. If you got any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.